soap powder. Never again. This simple recipe easily removes dirt from clothes. In a bucket, I will add a liter of water. I'm using water at room temperature now. I will also add 5 tablespoons of multi-purpose disinfectant. I'm using this, but you can use the one you prefer. This tip is simple and at a very low cost. You will always use to remove stains from clothes. Then I'll mix it. If you prefer, you can use warm water. It will even be easier to remove stains. Finally, I will use 3 tablespoons of salt. And then I will mix well until dilute all the salt. This tip costs very little. And for sure you have the ingredients in your house. With just these ingredients, you can remove stains from all kinds of fabric. Tell me if you have any useful cleaning tips with few ingredients. I would love to know. We can use this mixture mainly for cleaning, cloths used in the kitchen, and even cloths used on the floor. If you are going to use for cleaning more parts, you should also increase the amount of items used. With this mixture, it is even possible to soak for some time and will be more practical in removing dirt. Leaving a little soak, all the stains come out easily, rubbing effortlessly using their own hands. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Leena Nandu from India. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The result of this tip is incredible. I left to soak in the mixture for just an hour and came out. All the stains and dirt from the cloths look even new, as if they had just left the store. Now I will tell a secret of mine to you. If you put a little softener in the mixture, when leaving the cloth soaking, they, besides being clean, will be extremely soft and fragrant. In addition, because of the multi-purpose disinfectant, this tip becomes a great alternative to assist in cleaning any part of your home. I guarantee that the result will be equally satisfactory. It is so simple that as soon as you finish scrubbing, all the dirt will already have come out. We should only rinse with plenty of water and put to dry. The easiest tip you could learn for stain removal. I'm sure you'll thank me. It'll become routine in your home, just like it did in mine. It's a tip that, besides being useful, is very profitable. Will save you a lot of money and water when washing dirty cloths. Tell me later if you had the result you expected with this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.